Jai Hind children. In this video we are going to read about the concentration of the solution. But before reading for the concentration of the solution, let's have a quick recap of what is solution. See, solution is made up of solute and solvent. So if I tell what is solute, suppose I am dissolving, just I have taken here an example. Suppose I am dissolving, I am preparing sugar solution, I am dissolving sugar in water. So sugar is solute and water will be solvent. Now I think you have got the idea. Let's read the definition. The component of the solution that is dissolved in the solvent usually present in lesser quantity. Okay, we tell that substance which is present in lesser quantity is the solute. Now, what is solvent? The component of the solution that dissolve the other component in it. Means here it is talking about the water. Water is called, children, universal solvent. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. Now, usually the component which is present in larger amount is called as solvent. Usually, not always. It is not there that always solute will be smaller, will be in less quantity and solvent will be in larger quantity. It is told that generally the solute is in lesser quantity and solvent is in larger quantity. Okay, so let's have the next point. Depending upon the amount of solute present in a solution, the solution can be of the following type. So what is the amount of solute? How much, suppose if I am taking the example of sugar only, so how much sugar you have added to the water, it depends. Suppose if you like, you can add 2 spoon of sugar in your sugar solution. Suppose if I like, I can add 5 spoon of sugar in my sugar solution. So it depends. Next, so depending upon the amount of solute, the solution can be of following type. What are the types of solution? Saturated, supersaturated, unsaturated and dilute solution. Okay, now you might be thinking about what are these terms. So I am giving you a very nice example, you will understand very nicely. Suppose suppose you have been asked to prepare a sugar solution in water. Okay, so what you have done, you have started mixing the sugar with the 1 spoon 2 spoon. Okay, suppose you have taken 1 glass of water and you have mixed 3 spoon of sugar. You can be, and you are stirring it. Okay, so though that 3 spoon of sugar is very easily dissolve in the water. Okay, now suppose if you are mixing the 5th and 6th spoon of sugar, that is also being dissolved in the water very nicely. Now a time come that when you are adding the 8th spoon of the sugar, okay, and you are stirring again the solution, what you are seeing, that the 8 spoon of sugar is not being able to dissolve. Okay, what happens, the sugar is being settled down at the bottom of the glass. So at this particular time, when at room temperature, and the solute is not able to dissolve in the solvent, at that time it is called saturated solution. Let me give you the, okay, let's move towards the supersaturated solution. What happens, suppose if I have taken the same glass of water and I have heated, just I have kept that glass of water on the gas burner and I have started heating it. So what happened, after while heating it, I am again stirring the solution. So what I have seen, beta, that 8 solution, or that the 8th spoon of sugar which was settled down at the bottom of the glass, that is also being dissolved. Okay, that slowly started dissolving in the water. And then I thought ki let's add the 9 spoon of the sugar. So if I have added the 9 spoon of the sugar, that is also being dissolved. I have while stirring it. Okay, but when I have added the 10th spoon of sugar, okay, this is only example, just suppose it. So when I have added 10 spoon of sugar, now at that moment of time, in that heated solution, in that hot solution of sugar also, I am not able to dissolve that 10 spoon of sugar. So at this point, when you are heating a solution and you are not able to dissolve a particular solute in a solution, so that point is called supersaturated solution. Is it okay? Now unsaturated and dilute solution, we will be having the definition of it. See, these these solution can be different stages which can be observed while dissolving a solute in a particular solvent. Okay, so according to the example which I have taken just now, just try to understand these definition. So saturated solution, the solution in which no more amount of solute can be dissolved at a particular temperature, is called the saturated solution. and there is equilibrium between the dissolved and undissolved solute. Okay, equilibrium means balance. Next, supersaturated solution, a solution which contain more dissolved solute than the saturated concentration is called supersaturated solution. More dissolved solute, as I have told, and this is in the which condition this type of solution is found when no more solute can be dissolved even after the raising the temperature of the solution. What do we mean by raising the temperature of the solution? Means after the heating of the solution also, if you are not able to dissolve a solute into the solvent, then at that condition it is called supersaturated solution. Okay, next, what is unsaturated solution? If the amount of solute contained in a solution is less than the saturation level. Okay, suppose before reaching this saturation only, the amount of solute present in a solution will be means in the condition will be called unsaturated solution. Okay, solubility means the amount of solute present in the saturated solution at this temperature. At this temperature means at the room temperature, what is the amount of solute present in a solution? That is called its solubility. See children, note, listen, different substances in a given solvent have different solubilities at the same temperature. So this is very important, that different substances at a room temperature only. Okay, if we are talking about room temperature, so at a room temperature only different substances in a given solvent will have the different solubility. Okay. So our next topic, main topic, concentration of solution. See, what do we mean by concentration of a solution? Suppose if I ask that how much sugar is there in your sugar solution, tell me the percentage wise. So that is what I am asking. That is I am asking the concentration of sugar in your with respect of the water in your solution. Okay. So concentration of solution is defined as the amount of solute, okay, present in a given quantity of the solution. So not solvent, it is written here solution, then please pay attention to it. Fine. Now what can be formula for it? Formula is amount of solute divided by amount of solution. If what I have told, that I will it is asked in percentage form, so we are multiplying with the 100. Okay, so amount of solution. Now as you know that solution is made up of by solute and then solvent. So if you have to calculate the amount of solution, it will be amount of solute plus amount of solvent. Now there are various ways of expressing the concentration of a solution, but here we will learn only three ways. So what are the three ways? Suppose I am telling you that I am going to calculate this concentration of solution, okay, but the amount of solute and the amount of solution, if amount of solute and solution is given in the form of gram, means it is given in the form of mass, so the mass of solute and mass of solution is given, then we will use this formula, mass by mass percentage of a solution. Is it okay? Means mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Now if I am given, if I am in a solution, if it in a question, if it is given mass of a solute is given and then the volume of solution is given, then we will use this formula, mass by volume percentage of a solution, mass of a solute divided by volume of solution into 100. See, volume of solution can be, means what will be the unit for volume? It can be centimeter cube, it can be liter, it can be ml. So you have to see in that question that when it is written in centimeter cube, something is written in centimeter cube, liter and ml, so all these things will denote your volume. Is it okay to everyone? So now suppose if solute and solution both are given in volume, so we will use this formula, volume by volume percentage of a solution, volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Is it okay? So let's have an example with the and let's solve this numerical. A solution contains 30 gram of sugar dissolved in 370 gram of water. Okay. Now calculate the concentration of solution. Now see children, here you can see that your sugar, okay, is 30 gram and it is dissolved in 370 gram of water. It is not told that here 370 gram is solution. So you have to pay very pay attention that what are the data given in your question. So this 30 gram of sugar will be solute, 370 gram of water is solvent, not the solution. Now according to the formula, here both are given in the mass, so we will use the first formula, mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. So mass of solute, now as you know that mass of solution is equal to mass of solute by mass plus mass of solvent. So 30 gram plus 370 gram, it will be 400 gram. This is how I have got the mass of solution. Then only I can put this value here. Okay, then most of you will be in very much hurry, and you will put directly 370 here. Okay, that would be 370 solvent, not the solution. So now concentration of solution is 30 gram, that is your solute, mass of solute, divided by 400 gram, that is your mass of solution, into 100. So this way I have got the answer 7.5%. So let's have another question. Calculate the amount of glucose required to prepare 250 gram of 5% solution of glucose by mass. So what does this means, beta? See that here two things is given. 250 gram of 5% solution means amount of solution is given, and that is 250 gram here. Okay, next is concentration of solution is given. What is the concentration of solution? So concentration of solution is 5%. Okay, now amount of glucose required to prepare, it is asking calculate the amount of glucose. So glucose is solute here, amount of glucose, and that glucose is solute, and that is unknown to us, and that let us take it x gram. So according to the formula, both of them are given in the gram. So what is our formula? That concentration of substance is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Is it okay? So here you can find out that concentration is given, that is your 5. Mass of solute we have taken x gram. Mass of solution it is given 250. Okay, and x gram and x gram. Okay, 250 gram, and here divided by into 100. Sorry. So as you can see, let's have a quick calculation. 5 to 5 5s are, so here gram cancel. X is equal to how much? 5 5s are 25. 25 by 2, that is how much? 12.5. Okay, so what is this x here? What is this x? X is gram, amount of glucose, so it is 12.5 gram. Okay, now if it is also asked, can you calculate the amount of water? How you will calculate? Yes, 250 gram minus 12.5 gram, that is your amount of water. So the amount of water means amount of solvent also you can calculate. That would be 250 gram as I have told, minus 12.5 gram, that is 273.5 gram. So this way children, you can solve your questions very nicely. Okay, so I have a list of questions for you people. Try to solve all those questions. So these are the questions. You can pause the video and write the questions and try to solve it. Okay, so till then, in next video we will be learning the colloid and suspension. So try to solve more and more questions and clear your concept. If there is any doubt, then do let me know. Take care. Bye bye.